Hello and welcome to the Rugged Rockhound. Today we've got an unboxing video. So this one is from Debbie Wilson. So subscriber Debbie Wilson, thank you Debbie. We'll get into this box and see what we've got. Here we go. All right. It does say that there's a note enclosed. Actually, this might be it on the back right here. All right, it says, Trent, hope you are feeling better soon. Here's a small collection of what we find in our area. Hope you enjoy looking at them. Take care. Oh, thank you so much, Debbie. I see you have a shop where you make stuff. Cool. I need to go check out some of these things. There's a lot of people that are on the channel that they have their own little like shops and side businesses and stuff. I need to spend some more time checking those out. Great, let's see what we've got here. Well, we've got some petrified wood. So in this video, I'm gonna be like just kind of going through it from here, and then I'll add in close-ups of each of these so you guys can see them better. But yeah, for now, I'll just kind of tell you what it is as I pull it out. So this looks like some petrified wood. It's kind of a brownish wood on the inside, white on the outside. And they tumble polished these. At least that's what I think they did. They polished them, whether it's a tumble polish or polished it in a different way. Here's this one close up. Here's this one close up. Can hear that train. Here's this one. Okay. This looks like some altered. I'm not sure what the altered stone is. Could be like a silt stone. If it's an altered limestone, it's hard to tell, but it's got a little bit of copper ore on it. Here's this one close up. It's got a lot of that desert varnish on it, the oxidation. And some copper. All right. This is tumble polished. Looks like some kind of a jasper. But it's also got this green rock on it. Not quite the copper green, some other kind of green. Yeah, I think it's a jasper though. It looks like a jasper. Here's this one close up. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it closer, definitely a jasper. Okay, yeah, here's a nice little copper ore rock. You got some criscola on the outside. On the inside, it's a little broken there. Looks like some calcite crystals, so it was probably in a limestone. Here's this one close up. Okay. So this is a, like a breccia or conglomerate. And based on the rounding of the grains, it's kind of somewhere in between a breccia and a conglomerate. Breccia will have hard angles to it, and conglomerate will be rounded stones. The stone itself looks like a quartzite, but it's got a nice look to it. Here's this one close up. All right, what do we got here? It's got a layering in the rock. Doesn't quite look like wood, but it does take up a nice polish, so maybe a jasper. It's hard sometimes when you just have a small piece and it looks like layers in it, and you go, okay, is that wood grain or just layers? And depending on where it is, maybe it's wood, but I think this one looks more like it's just layers in the rock. And maybe it's kind of almost a jasper type rock. Here's this one close up. Okay. This again looks like one of those kind of jasper agate mixes where you've got kind of this jasper going through it, and it almost looks like a moss or like dendrites in it. So I think that's what we got going on there.
Here's this one close up.
I may be wrong on some of these. Okay, that looks like a red jasper. Very nice.
Here's this one close up.
All right. This one. Again, I think it's a jasper, kind of more of a grayish with a slight blue color to it. Some interesting patterns in it, though. Yeah, you never know, because, just something as simple as a jasper can have interesting patterns in them.
Here's this one close up.
Okay, these other ones she has wrapped, so we got petrified wood inside this one. Okay, so it looks like it's more of that wood. So they must get a lot of this around where they're at. Must be pretty common. And that one I really like. See, that's a nice piece because you can really see the grain and the textures inside of it. Very nice. Yeah, it's a very brown wood. Interesting.
Here's this one close up. I really like this one. It has really good texture in it. Here's this piece of wood close up. Yeah, this is pretty nice wood.
Okay, we've got some jasper wrapped up in here. Ooh, that's a nice jasper. That's got some good color on it. We've got red going into kind of a yellow, orangish, almost a hint of a green. But yeah, that's a nice jasper right there. All right. So they have this one wrapped up as a jasper, but you can actually see the individual quartz crystals growing in it. So I would actually classify this as it's just quartz crystals. Pretty much all quartz crystal. You got cool little pockets in it every now and then with small little crystals on it. Yeah, that right in the center though, you might be able to call that a jasper. Cool. Yeah, it has lots of quartz crystals in it.
Here's this one. Here's this one.
Oh, okay. I have seen a lot of things like this too from southern Utah where it has more of this pinkish color to it. And you got like all these little particles, it looks like, through it, which are probably a bunch of little pieces of rock that got trapped as the stuff was forming. But it is very interesting.
Here's this one.
Crystals. I love crystals. Crystals are my favorite. All right, nice. Here we go. We're getting some quartz crystals. So this looks a lot like some of the stuff I was getting from Red Hill, where you've got these layers of chalcedony, and then you've got quartz crystals that'll sometimes grow in the center of them. Yeah, see, look, you can see those nice water lines on that, and then you got a quartz pocket where all the crystals grew toward the center. Very nice.
Here's this one. Yep, there's those water lines.
Okay. Whoa, okay. Gotta look closer at these crystals. Because my initial thought is calcite, but it doesn't seem to be breaking that way. It might be selenite. Yeah, this doesn't quite look like the normal things you'd see, like calcite, selenite, or quartz. I think this might be a different crystal.
Here's this one close up. I've looked at this a lot more, and it looks more like gypsum, although it's pretty hard gypsum or selenite. but I still think it is.
Ah, yes. So you got some nice chalcedony here. Got a little bit of a botryoidal texture, and then in the middle you got quartz growing into it. Cool. And here, okay, looks like, you know, chalcedony, almost an agate with some nice forms around the edge. Maybe kind of creating little stalactites into it. Looks really neat. And then you got some quartz crystals in it.
Here's this one close up. Here's this one.
All right, and the last little one here is we've got sea maggots. There are some places in Idaho that I've heard of that have some really nice sea maggot, particularly over on the border with Oregon. Got to get out there sometime. Yeah, those look quite nice. That is actually a really nice sea maggot. Mostly white and brown. All right. Oh, nice botryoidal form there. Very cool. You can see the layers in it. And another little piece. Neat. Oh. And nice long piece of it. Okay, this one's mostly white. Got some crystals in it. Oh, a little bit of pink right there. I like that. I like that pink spot right there. Cool.
Here's this one. Here's this one. Yeah, this one's really nice. Here's this one. Just a thin piece. Here's this one close up.
Well, that was a neat little box. Thank you so much, Debbie. If I had to pick a favorite, I do like the wood. Brown wood's always nice. I do need to look closer at this and see if I can identify the crystal. But if I had to pick favorite, I do really like this jasper because of the amount of colors in it. I do like crystals. I don't know if I can pick a favorite. There's a lot of good ones in here. Yeah, I don't think I can pick a favorite. So thank you so much, Debbie, and thank you everybody for watching this. I'm doing a little better. I'm feeling a little better. Hopefully I'll get even better as time goes on. Until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.